Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Today we'll be making 酸菜鱼 fish fillet with pickled mustard green. The first time I had this dish was in the late 80s. It was so good, it stayed in my memory ever since, and this is the way I remembered it. Here are the key ingredients, including 1 pound of fish fillet. I'm using basa fish here. Pickled mustard green from Thailand, ginger, scallion, garlic, green Sichuan peppercorn, 1 egg, which we only need the egg white, the pickled green pepper, and some chicken stock. We need to julienne the ginger, slice the garlic, and chop up the scallion. For the pickled mustard green, don't throw away the pickle juice. We need it for the broth. And then we're going to slice the pickled mustard green into slices. And for the fish fillet, we're going to slice with a 30-degree angle into thin slices. Then marinate the fish slices with some salt, white pepper, and cornstarch. Mix everything well. Add 1 egg white and mix it well, which helps the fish slice to be tender. For cooking, we're going to heat up the wok. Add the oil, then ginger slices, garlic, and the pickled mustard green. We need to saute the mustard green to make sure we cook the flavor out of them. Then add the pickled peppers and Sichuan peppercorn. Saute everything for a total of 2 minutes. We can add some salt right now to help cook out the flavor, and the rest of the seasoning can be added later. After sauteing for 2 minutes, add the pickle juice and the chicken broth. We can also add some extra water in case the broth is not enough. Put on the lid and boil for 2 minutes to get the flavor into the broth. Then season the broth with some salt, white pepper, and a little bit of sugar to balance the flavor. Be sure to taste your broth and decide how much seasoning to add, as every brand of pickled mustard green and chicken broth have different flavors. Then lower the heat and add the fish slices into the broth. Once all the fish slices are in, put on the lid, turn on the heat, and wait till everything gets boiled. Finally, add the chopped scallion and the dish is ready. The fish is tender and tasty. The broth is spicy and sour, which is great for the winter. I call this the traditional way, as newer versions has other things like noodles added in. I hope you can give this a try and enjoy the fish and the broth. If you like our cooking, don't forget to like and share our videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.